Waiting for the orange door to open, I have been in search of the perfect yarn. Now that Taylor Swift has revealed her Showgirl cardigan, I think this is the perfect sparkly orange yarn for us. And I've been testing it out. So I knitted up this slouchy beanie. It has a nice smooth stockinette texture. I also have this cute little stuffed pumpkin. I'm in the process of knitting up another bubble beanie. And here's my favorite. It's designed by Elizabeth Smith and it is aptly named the Soundtrack Cowl. I modified it so that the slip stitch rows, there are 12 of them representing each era. This metallic yarn is by Mary Maxim. It's their Starlette Sparkle yarn, and I use the colors orange and blue ice. And I think I'm going to knit up a cardigan for my dog next. What life of a showgirl knitting ideas do you have?